Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, reinsert SIM card, remove SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, again insert SIM card, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.